Absolutely. There is opportunity in a lot of vacuum that you're seeing right now. And this really is what Russia has been talking about. That far from isolation, they're now going to engage countries that they want to engage and those that want to engage Russia. Which is why, to my question on G8, he was very clear he does not want to be part of the erstwhile G8. And he's going to engage countries like India. So this is an opportunity. All the areas that you're seeing where you're seeing a lot of enhancement, including labor mobility, is to do with the fact that there is a lot of space now. There are a lot of companies and international agencies that are not, and foreigners who had to leave Russia, leave Moscow. And that's where that window of opportunity is now for India and Russia to take this relationship forward. Far from showing or being hesitant, Gaurav, we are seeing a very, very resilient leadership over
Right.
here on both sides saying that you can say what you want to. This is strategic autonomy now being exercised and in motion for the world to see. We are going to engage and we are going to look at our own country interests first.
Geeta, for a moment, I think reflect in the glory of what you've just done. Massive congratulations. It's a coup of a decade, I would say, leaving many of us journalists very envious, but you've done it for us. So, well done and good to have you back. If you're not jet lagged a bit, but I just want to bring you in to put out that contrast, if there is any, from your interview with President Putin, which has, mind you, been quoted by possibly every international publication of stature, and to the kind of joint statement that we see today. You interviewed him where he spoke about the relationship with India. Does it somewhere down the line elucidate and reflect in the joint statement that is being issued today?
Absolutely, and we'll play out that bite from the interview where they've only signed the agreements, but President Putin spoke of them, whether it's shipbuilding, fertilizer, maritime, trade, mobility. He spoke of all of that in that interview. The difference over here is that during the press statements, Preeti, he was more confined. He was confined to a time, to a framework where he's speaking. With us, it was a no holds barred interview. He took all the questions that we asked him. He responded to all of them with absolute clarity. And when international networks, which is what we were saying, that there is one message that comes from the West and one where they need to know what the Russian perspective is.